Alright, you got your fancy water bag. And you got your pole. Alright, I got everything in there. Let's go! So we just stopped on the way to the hike. There's a lot of fog by the river and I want to see if I can get some drone shots of it. So we're here after driving about a half a kilometer down the road too far and blazing right by the trail path. We are now back at the trail path. So yeah, good start so far. All right, we made it up the first little bit and we're at the first turn off. So here's where it starts to get a little bit steeper. So we're taking a little break. We were worried about being too cold, but I don't know, I'm really hot. I'm pretty hot. Yeah, it's really bright and sunny and a lot warmer than we expected, but it'll get cooler as we go up, so that'll be nice. All right, that's it. The jacket's coming off. Meanwhile, I'm sweating. Whew. This is a nice winter hike, and somehow we're both too hot. I guess we can't complain about that in January here. We've arrived at what I call Fake Lookout, which is kind of just a little tiny hole in the trees. And you got a pretty good view of Mount Baker kind of through these trees. So Fake Lookout was at about 1,800 feet. And now we're going up a little bit of a steep section. And we'll see where we're at when we get to the real lookout. Mel's having her pizza. How is it?
Very tasty.
Yeah, and we got a really big raven down there. He's just kind of smelling the pizza. And we've heard from another hiker that there's a cougar in the area that was not too far from here. So we got our hiking poles out. And if the cougar comes around trying to steal our pizza, I said I was gonna bop him in the nose with the hiking pole. I'm not sure if that's a good strategy or not.